Setup, this is where you're going to find mixer config. When you go to mixer config, the first thing that's going to come up is input stereos. So this is where your computer, for instance, instead of being channel 15 on a fader and 16 on a fader, I said 15, 16 is stereo. You then have to hit apply and confirm that. Otherwise it will not save. So if we go to like 3940, apply it, and it'll save. I'll undo that. So that's how you're going to set channels to be stereo linked onto a single fader. You do have to work odd to even. You cannot decide I want 6 and 7 linked. You'd have to do 5 and 6. So that's one little caveat to that.
Okay, real quick, since you're on the stereo, say we use a split track, which like vocals are on the left channel, instruments on the right channel. How would you, and we have we have plenty of vocals coming through, so I want to lessen the vocals on a stereo channel.
I would leave it as 2 monos.
Okay, gotcha.
And then say...
That way you can have separate control.
Yeah, and you can technically patch those to any channel, each side of it, and then mix it accordingly.
Okay.
Mix stereo is now going to be your outputs. So you'll see I have subs as a mono. I have your matrices for your chord, which was a single cable, so I set all those to mono. Bus config. This is, you have so many resources in this board, so many groups and auxes that you can work with. So by default, it's maxed out. But if you ever decided you needed more than the 8 auxes, I could actually get rid of some of my groups, and now I have 10 auxes.